Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am diving deep into the world of wood furniture design where creativity meets function. Let's kick things off with a piece that's both practical and stylish. A sleek wood desk, whether you are working from home and studying, a well designed desk can make all the difference. Stay tuned for more inspiring ideas to elevate your space. Moving on the entertainment area, a well-chosen wood TV stand not only holds your electronics but also add a touch of sophistication to your living space. Let's keep the creative vibes flying. Now let's talk about storage solution with style. A spacious wood wardrobe not only keeps your cloth organized but also enhances the overall ambience of your bedroom. Let's dive deeper into the world of wood furniture. The joy of relaxation. A cozy wooden rocking chair like this one can instantly become your favorite spot for unwinding after a long day. Now let's move on the heart of many homes, the dining area. This wooden dining table creates an intimate setting perfect for family gathering and meals with loved one. Paired with comfortable wooden chairs and you have a space that encourages lingering conversation and memorable moments. As I transition to the bedroom, let's talk about the importance of a good night's sleep. A well crafted wooden bed frame not only enhances the room's aesthetic but also ensures comfort and relaxation. Complete the look with bedside tables and cozy bedding for a harmonious and inviting atmosphere. Last but not least, don't overlook the power of accent furniture piece. This charming wooden accent chair paired with a small table creates a cozy reading nook or a spot for relaxation. Whether you are curing up with a book and enjoying a cup of tea, these pieces add warmth and style to any corner of your home. That's wrap up eye exploration of wooden furniture design. I hope you found inspiration for your own space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor ideas. Until next time, stay cozy and creative. Take care. Allah Hafiz.